Your dashboard suddenly lights up like a pinball machine, your speedometer drops completely to zero while you are driving, and your transmission flat-out refuses to shift gears or engage four-wheel drive. This absolute nightmare scenario often points to a very specific umbrella code, P0643, meaning the powertrain control module has detected that the sensor reference voltage on circuit A is way too high. In the automotive electrical world, the computer powers a whole family of crucial drivetrain sensors using a shared 5-volt reference circuit. This includes things like transmission pressure sensors, transfer case position sensors, and wheel speed sensors. The computer expects these sensors to modify that 5-volt signal and send back a lower voltage based on changing temperatures, pressures, or physical movement. However, when the computer suddenly sees the voltage spike far above that 5-volt baseline, it triggers this code and usually shuts down the affected systems to prevent further electrical damage. Because this is a shared circuit, a failure in one single sensor or a short in one specific wire can take down the entire network, making the diagnosis feel like finding a needle in a haystack. The secret trick here is to look closely at your scanner for any other specific sensor codes that popped up alongside this general reference voltage code. Those accompanying codes are usually pointing directly at the culprit. For example, if you have a transfer case sensor code along with this one, start your visual inspection down at the transfer case. Look for wiring harnesses that might have melted against a hot exhaust pipe or gotten pinched between the transmission and the chassis, causing 12 volts from the battery to bleed directly into the delicate 5-volt reference wire. You will need your digital voltmeter to test the pins at the sensor connector to see exactly how much voltage is present. If you see 12 volts on a pin that should only have 5, you have definitely found a dead short to power. Remember to always disconnect the computer and the sensors before testing circuit resistance, because sending voltage from your multimeter into a sensitive computer module can fry the internal processors instantly, turning a relatively simple wiring repair into a massively expensive computer replacement job.